Hi guys, so today I'm going to share my hair care routine. Like you can see, I have like really long hair. I have really long hair and I have just washed them today. So let's begin with my hair care routine. As you can see, I have got really long hair which does touch my waist. I'm so sorry, waist. So I'll just tell you what shampoo do I use, what hair serum do I use, what hair oil do I use, and what conditioner do I use. So let's start with the pre-statement. What I always do without fail is, firstly I take a wide tooth comb and I just comb my hair before oiling so that there are no knots or anything. So I do that. I'm so sorry if I'm visible. Then the second thing that I've started applying, and it's been almost 3 weeks, I've started using this Kama Ayurveda Brigandi Intensive Hair Treatment. So basically this is a hair oil which has infused with it, which is infused with all the herbs and all the natural ingredients which really help. So like you can see that I have got really frizzy hair, and I was getting a lot of black hair and all, and now it's been reduced to a very big extent. So the best part about this is you use it for 30 minutes, you use it whole night, the effect is same. Well, I have tried both of them. Twice I used it for 30 minutes, twice I've used it for maybe more than twice, for the whole night, for like overnight and all. And it really gives me very good results. So I'll suggest this. It's a must buy. Okay, I'll mention all the prices and where you can get it in the disclaimer. So I put this, I applied this. You really need, for me, like I'll tell you, I need like, it's got a nice golden cap, so I need 2 caps like this for my whole hair, like for complete hair. The best part about this bottle is it comes in a plastic container and it's got a hole here, so it will not fall. Even if it falls, it will not break. So the second thing, after I do that, I apply overnight. So the shampoo that I'm currently using is this. It is anti-breakage keratin oil shampoo. It's by a company called OGX, and it is infused with keratin proteins and argan oil. And this is really good in winters because it reduces my breakage. It gives me that softness, it gives me that bounce, it gives me that shine that is coming in my hair. I'm not sure about the shine. I think shine is more because of the oil that I'm using. So this is it. So I've been using this. So I need 3 pumps, 3 cups of this to, completely wash my hair. That after washing my hair, this is one conditioner that I am using currently. Because it is winters, I'm using this more as repair hair mask. So this is by a company called Matrix Biolage Advance, and this is a repair inside. It is got arginine plus soya oil, repairing mask for severely damaged hair. So I am using this box. If you can see, I've been using this from last a month now, and it's really giving me good results. Like my hair stays soft, they stay soft for more than 2-3 days, which is like worth. First I used to, I had to wash it every second day, or I had to do something to my hair to make it soft. Now the fourth product that I'm using, and that's like really important, is a hair serum. Okay, why people need to use a hair serum? Hair serum not only protects your hair from all the dust, it gives you that luster, it gives you that shine, and it basically softens your hair. Like for example, it's non-sticky. It's kind of an hair oil which is non-sticky but with all the benefits of an hair oil. So the my current favorite, or it's been a favorite for a year long, is Kiehl's Stylish Series Silk Groom Serum for a glossy and non-frizz finish. So I am using this from last a year. You can see this. It's such a big bottle. It is 75 ml and it's still, there is something left. And so I use 2 pumps of it for completely, my whole long hair. And it does a fabulous job. And I'm really happy. Like, I got this. This was something, I just bought it. It was just, impulse buy. And I was like, it's really expensive. But I said, why not give it a shot? So this is something that is really expensive. And this is like really expensive, the Kama Ayurveda Brigandi and Kiehl's. but I swear by them. This winters would not be possible if I did not have these products in in my basket. In my basket, you can see my hair care with little hearts. Oh shit, the bottle fell. Okay, so after washing my hair, I just towel dry them for a minute or two. Then I just remove the towel. I do not rub it. I apply the hair serum. I keep it for 10 minutes. And again, I take a white comb and I just, remove all the knots. And I just keep it like this for more 20-25 minutes. I don't use any heat products. I don't use any heat products. I don't use any heat products. I don't use a hair straightener. I don't use a hair dryer. I just believe, you really need to keep your hair as natural as possible so that, they get a chance to show their properties. Like, for example, if you keep on doing all this stuff, you'll not come to know what's wrong with your hair. So it's basically, my request to all of you that please, please, please reduce your heat styling products, because this really affects and destroys your hair in the long run. And I'm really happy that I'm sharing this, because I keep on getting a lot of requests on my blog that please share your hair care routine. So I'm really happy I'm doing this. So please let me know what products you are using for your hair serum, hair oil and conditioner and all. And please subscribe, please like, and please share this video, and kindly comment below. And these are some products that I swear by. I'm not sure that if they'll work for you, but I am definitely sure that if you give it one shot, you'll be a fan of these products like I am. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching and being such a great sport. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao.